Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Jeep Grand Cherokee oil life. First, turn your ignition to the on/RUN position without starting the engine. Make sure your vehicle is in park. This ensures safety and proper system engagement. You'll then need to locate your accelerator pedal, which is crucial for the next steps in the reset process. This method is straightforward and can be done quickly. Now, with the ignition on and engine off, press the accelerator pedal slowly all the way to the floor. Release it completely. Repeat this action 2 more times for a total of 3 presses. It's important to complete all 3 presses within a 10-second window to ensure the system registers the input correctly. This sequence signals the vehicle's computer. After completing the accelerator pedal sequence, turn your ignition completely off. This allows the vehicle's computer to process the reset command. Next, start your engine as you normally would. Check your instrument cluster display. The oil life indicator should now show 100%, confirming a successful reset. If not, you may need to repeat the steps. Remember, resetting the oil life indicator should always follow an actual oil change, not precede it. This ensures your vehicle receives proper maintenance. If you encounter any issues, consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions. Regular oil changes and timely resets are vital for maintaining your Jeep Grand Cherokee's performance and longevity. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.